and welcome to my channel. My name is Marta G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is Valentine's Day celebrations. Are you looking for creative ways to make this Valentine's Day one to remember? With the most romantic day of the year just around the corner, it's time to start planning how you will celebrate with your loved one. From traditional gestures to unique ideas, there are countless ways to show your love and appreciation on Valentine's Day. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area, we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the images from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that's related to the theme of the presentation. The first thing we will do is color the background. Right click, format background. We choose fill solid fill color, eyedropper. We choose the color from the background from the left side outside of the design area. The first thing we will do is color the background. Right click, format background. We choose fill solid fill color, eyedropper. We choose the color from the background from the left side outside of the design area. Now we want to insert the image. Insert, picture, this device. We choose the hearts, click insert. The hearts are a SVG icon. Right click, we want to ungroup them. Group, ungroup. Yes. We reduce a little bit the size to be inside the design area. Right click, group, ungroup. And then we want to insert the couple. We go to insert picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert in SVG icon. Click insert. We reduce the size. We go to graphics, format graphic fill with eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. Then we go to graphic effects, glow. We want from orange glow variation the fourth, the last. And now we want to go again to graphic effects, glow. To see more glow colors, with eyedropper we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Now we want to delete some hearts to put the couple image here. And now we want to insert our title. We go to insert text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to from home ribbon, we choose band script font, size 32. Color with eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area and we write our title. Love beyond expectations, unforgettable Valentine's Day celebrations that will take your breath away. Now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to insert, we choose and click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again band script font, size from home ribbon, size 18 and color with eyedropper, the same color with the title, and we write our presenter's name by Marta G. Santos. Okay, we can do uppercase. We want to put a rectangle that covers all the design area. We go to insert, click shapes, choose rectangle, click inside the design area, drag and release it from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of the slide. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape outline, no outline. and we go to format shape and set the transparency at 74. It's okay. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put the animations. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. First, we move the rectangle and we choose the hearts. And click the couple, the title and the presenter's name. Right click, group. Then we go to animations and choose wheel. We click start with previews, duration 2, effect options 2 spokes. Then we choose the rectangle, the transparent rectangle. We go to entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the couple, entrance split, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options vertical in as it is. We go to the title, entrance zoom, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, object center as one object as it is. And then we go at the presenter's name, entrance zoom, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options, object center as one object as it is. We put the rectangle at its place, and now we click the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!